Welcome back, everyone, to our final rip of this repackaged wax product that we picked up recently. This is the final stack. And there's the cello. There's another 89. So we got the 89 rack and the cello here. Got Mr. David Cohen on the front. Very cool. Put that to the side. All right, let's get to ripping. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs here. Let's see what we have. All right, hope everyone's enjoying their day today. Los Angeles Dodgers sticker. A lot of 87s in here. There's another Puckett. We have a Dawson. There you go, another 89. 90 Flair. Marquine, actually got him back a little while ago. Nice Cliff Branch, 1980. There's another 83 Flair. Eddie Murray, we got one in the other stacks. Very nice. So 81 tops. All right. Yep, 81, 82 tops. Dr. J, very nice card. Put that there. There's another Rhino, 87 tops. Hey, there it is, Chad. 86 Topps Gooden. This was the box for you, man. Then we have a William Andrews, Falcons, 1980, and a George Brett, 87 tops. All right, let's see what we have here. Another Ozzy. There's Steve Carlton. I've gotten that one. There you go. Nice Ripken. 86 Flair. Very nice looking card. It's another Johnny Bench. I got that one. Fernando. 83 Flair. Schmidt 82 in action. There's Opie Chi. 1983. Paul Molitor. It's another Eddie Murray. There you go. 78 tops. Foster and Jim Rice. This one would be nice to get autographed by both. I might have to send that one in. They both charge fee. I think Foster's, I don't know if Foster's 10 or 15. Jim Rice, I know, is 10. There's a nice 86 dollars. And another Ozzy to round it out, 87. All right. Next pack. Another 18 sticker. There you go, Murdoch. There's another Eddie Murray, 87. Reggie Williams. Harold Baines, Diamond King. That'd be nice to get autographed. There's another 82 bench. Another 86 tops. Nolan. 83 tops Molitor. There's a nice Yaz. Frank M. TTM, I like that one. It's 89 tops. Right, or 88 tops, yeah. This is 88. Turn back the clock. The 86 Donners, DK. Hershiser. And a TG. Rest in peace. He was a heck of a hitter. Always fun watching him play the game. Unbelievable hitter. All right. Let's see here. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what? Ozzy. There's another Eddie Murray. Another G. Mr. Gary Carter, 87 Topps All-Star. There's a Danny Manning. Very nice. Tommy John, 82 tops. There's a nice Rose, 81 tops. Thing there, very nice. And another 82 Donruss Murray. Anthony Munoz. I know Boomer Esiason is a big fan of his. They played together for many years. I think he charges 20. Maybe it went up, I'm not sure. Sir Dan Deerdorf, this is 78. Yep, 1978. Very nice. And Boggs and Ozzy, 87. All right, next pack. 2 more after this one. We're winding down. Here's a nice, very cool Angels sticker. Chuck Foreman. There's a nice Pete Rose. Dale Murphy, 89 Flair. Another Doc. Look at this, Chad. 88 tops. The Doctor is in. 87 tops. Baines. There's Strawberry. I know Doug, don't talk to robots like that. 88 tops. Seaver 83, Molitor 87, Nolan Ryan, and Tony Dorsett, 1984 tops. I'll have to send out to him. Oh, he signs for a fee. All right. Next pack. Mr. Lee Smith, 87. Whoa, hey now. There's a hit and a half. Look at that. Just a slight, but this is, it's off center, but still. Wow. That is sweet. Bear with me, guys. All right, there we go. We'll have to put him in top loader. Nice. That is awesome. That's a nice Ripken rookie. Man, last stack magic there. Woo! There's a Dodger sticker. Look at that. Another Pete Rose. Look at these all-stars. They're cool. Eddie Murray. Dennis Rodman. Look at that. Not his rookie. That's very nice. There's LT. Oh, that's not Theismann there. Oof. I don't think it is. All right, and there's Fernando. And we're rounded off with 2 more 87 tops. All right, nice hit. I don't know if we can top that. Last pack. Let's see what goodies are in this one. There's the Yankees. There you go, Jordan. J-Dubs. Carlton Fisk. Winfield. Holy cow, there it is. Oh, man. I guess we did kind of top. Well, we'll say equal. There's a Tony Gwynn rookie. Again, just a corner. That's nice. OC, but still. That is awesome. Hold up. Man. 2 great hits in here. This is super. Look at that. Not only last stack magic, last pack magic. That is awesome. There it is. The legend. Man. 2 super hits right there in the last stack. That is awesome. It's 86 Boggs. Stewart. Eddie Murray, 84 tops All-Star. Mitch Richmond. There's Harry Carson. He signs. I'll have to send this one out. There's Mark Gastineau, sack exchange. And finally, 87 tops Roger Clemens. Very cool. Awesome. That was actually pretty fun. Got some pretty nice hits, too, out of this box. I have to say I'm pretty happy. Definitely stoked. Got a couple of solid rookie cards there, you know. So let me know what you guys thought. If you think it was a good box or what. But it was definitely a fun rip, and I appreciate you guys hanging in there watching. I hope you appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed, I should say. Hope you enjoyed ripping these along with me. And I hope to see everyone again soon. Be well, and don't forget, yada, 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 the same old thing. If you don't mind liking, subscribing, and commenting, I'd really appreciate it. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. Take care and be well.